Hey guys, this is Amjaved with another tutorial whether how we can edit PDF file in Google Docs. Well, we know that by design PDF files are not editable, and to edit a PDF file we need to have tools that can help us to edit it. But instead of using any PDF editor, we will use Google Docs to edit our PDF files. Here is the PDF file I want to edit. It includes image, simple text, some formatting, and a table along with its heading. Now, just drag and drop your PDF file to upload it to your Google Drive. Then, after uploading, right-click on it and under Open Other, instead of using PDF editing apps which are also being recommended, we will open our PDF file with Google Docs. It will convert and open the PDF file into a Google Word document. Here, it seems that page numbers are a bit off, but overall the conversion seems good. And now we can edit it according to our need, whether it's text, image, table figures, formatting, etc. In general, we can work on it like a Word document. And we can remove these page numbers and can add new ones by going to the Insert tab and selecting any option under page numbers. And when you are done editing, click on File and under Download, you can select any file format to download it. It will save and download it into that file format. And this is how you can edit your PDF file by using Google Docs. And if you have stayed this far, please consider liking and subscribing, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.